I just found another one. This is the Black Friday 2024 holiday deals, Christmas deals. All right. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. Plus, you won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday and holiday deals. All right, so we got the 20-volt, 6 amp hour, 4 amp hour battery starter kit with charger. Obviously, this is $199. You do get the 6. You do get that 4. So you guys know these are premium batteries. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. Yes, guys, these are able to be hacked. Yes, hack them. 20-volt XR cordless brushless slide switch angle grinder. So 4.5. This is $199, valued at $189. You got the Max XR cordless brushless jigsaw. Does not say price it. It says see lower price in cart. You got the Max XR cordless brushless fixed compact router. This is valued at $219. You got the Flex Volt 20-volt 60-volt lithium 6 amp hour battery pack. So if you guys want to stock up on those batteries, run and get these and hack them. So this is $179. You got the Max XR cordless impact driver valued at $199. You got the Max XR brushless reciprocating saw valued. It does not have a price. You got this one's a good one. You get the 20-volt 125 mile per hour 450 CFM brushless blower. 6.5 circular saw. You got a 3.5 planer valued at $229. That's a really good deal on that one, especially if you hack it. They got the Atomic Brushless Ultra Compact 5/8 SDS rotary hammer. This is the rotary drywall cutout tool valued at $179, and the screw gun. I believe that's all of them. So we're just gonna go ahead and punch one in. Let's see here. I'm gonna punch in the rotary hammer. All right, let's put in the rotary hammer. See what the price looks like. All right, yes, that's what I thought. So this is basically 99 bucks a piece. So for the SDS rotary hammer is $99.50, and battery pack or starter kit, it is $99 as well. So you guys are able to punch those in. They are going to be closer to that $99 or $100 deal or price. Yeah. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video.